today we're meeting my aunt to buy Hanbok, which are traditional Korean outfits worn for various occasions. Typically at weddings, mothers from both families wear them, and we wanted one for ourselves for future events. Before our arrival in Korea, my aunt assisted us by visiting several Hanbok stores in advance to find the best quality and prices. She's pretty skilled at haggling, ensuring that we got the best deals, and she even selected all the colors and designs because I trusted her judgment and was open to pretty much anything. Dongdaemun is one of the best places to buy materials for arts and crafts, with hundreds of stores spread across multiple floors. It's easy to get lost, but also incredibly fun. I used to visit here with my sisters at night to enjoy a late night shopping and to negotiate for the best prices for clothes. The designs here are so beautiful. I'm curious which one my aunt chose for me. We provided all the measurements in advance, so it's all about making the final decisions today. First, we're selecting hanbok for our mothers. Traditionally, the groom's mother wears cooler tones while the bride's mother opts for more of a warmer tone. After exploring various flower patterns and shades of blue and pink, we decided to settle on these for our moms. For ourselves, my aunt selected these designs. Jason is now deciding which shade of blue complements his skin tone and overall appearance.
안 돼, 나이 들어서.
이것도 아니고 저것도 아니고 근데 세 개는 지금 이거 달지 말고 이거 묶는 것만 같이 파는 게 부모는 부모 생각에
To tie, she
이거
thinks
하지 말고 나이 들고
instead of putting this one on, tying it is best.
묶는 거.
What do you think?
묶는 게 더 이쁘.
그래도 요거는 요 디자인이에요. 이거 은은한 거. 베지 자체가 은은한 베지. 요건 좀 본인이 골라도 돼요. 좋아하는 패턴.
아, 요거대로 또 고급스럽네.
자, 다 치우고 이렇게 해볼까요?
저기 제이스는 구두 신어
요걸로
구두에 흰 양말.
우리 신부님은 요걸로다가 5cm짜리 할 거예요. 같은 색깔로
어때?
맞춰야지.
After 12 days later, we returned to pick up our hanbok. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because in a later video, I'll be showing you what our hanboks look like in our photo shoot. We had a quick lunch nearby. Jason chose spicy octopus while I went for the sin tofu. Next, we're heading to a class to learn how to make Korean traditional rice cake called songpyeon. If you watch my Chuseok video, you should know what it is. If not, keep watching to find out. But first, Jason needs coffee, so we're stopping by a quick drink store. Many places use this kiosk where you can place your order and make payment without interacting with anyone. I got a mint shake with pearls while Jason got an iced americano. Well, this is a little bit odd. Not sure why my pearls are in the middle. Here are some examples of what we would be making. I think some of these are actually pretty advanced level. Unfortunately, I can't film because I have to use both of my hands, so I'll show you guys the final results instead. All done! We learned a lot of different techniques to make these pretty songpyeon. Each person made 6 pieces and we were told that we can freeze them so they last longer. Jason was smiling the whole time. Honestly, I think Jason enjoys taking classes like this. I'm going to take Jason to a Meerkat Cafe. I've been here before, but it looks like they relocated to a bigger place. We took off our shoes and changed into slippers. The entrance fee was 15,000 won in cash and 16,000 won for credit. They had various animals that came out throughout the day for customers to interact with. I saw a raccoon I met years ago named Honey. He's very friendly with everybody. I remember that he actually put his little tiny hands inside my sister's mouth last time. Looks like they have more raccoons now, but these two ended up being too clingy. They will ask you to hold them, and if you don't listen, they might attach themselves to you and playfully bite you. It's really heavy.
알려진 이유가 그거야. 판에 매달리는 거 원래 공에 매달려.
이리 와. 이리 와.
There were also cat-like creatures called Jeanette cats that you can get on your shoulders for pictures. There were also small animals that looked like groundhogs, but I never saw them get out. Last time I came, they had one fox, but now they have like 5 of them.
These are really hot.
The cafe smelled like a zoo, but personally what really bothered me was the fact that it felt too stuffy inside. They had no windows open and no AC on, so there was no clean air circulating. I felt so bad for these animals that looked very hot and needed more room to run around. I was personally too scared to touch the foxes, but Jason got to touch them while they were passing by. Next, we went upstairs and I met an old friend, Mr. Wallaby. He looked a bit sad, so I tried to cheer him up with treats. I think Jason grew attached to the wallabies. He said the wallabies reminded him of Coco, our rabbit. Mr. Wallaby looked hot with his thick fur on. Finally, we got to see the main event, Meerkat. They have doubled in numbers since the last time I visited. I think they had 4 rooms to interact with these meerkats separated by gender to prevent them from procreating more. These little guys love to dig into your clothes and take things from your pockets. So we had to leave all of our important belongings outside of the room. They gave us each a blanket to protect our legs and clothes.
Oh my god, it has teeth.
I think when we entered the room, it was their nap time. So we didn't see many of them go crazy, except for this little fellow with a yellow collar.
썰 단잡 저희 시간이 다 돼서 퇴장 도와드릴게요. 일어나시면
Hongdae is a district where lots of young people like to hang out. In the evening, the street becomes lively with street performances and many young people here to have a good time. There are clubs, bars, restaurants, street food stands, and shops open. Since many restaurants were packed, we decided to eat some street food at a tteokbokki stand. We got some spicy tteokbokki, 튀김, which means deep fried assortments, and sundae, which means pork blood sausage. If I remember correctly, everything here costed us only 14,000 won. Wow, look at that! There are more people coming out of the subway than going in. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you haven't. And stay tuned for my next videos. Thank you!